Good afternoon, teacher. I will start reading the 20 exercise. Start. Number 1. The plan had been. Number 2. The money has been. Number 3. The present had been both. Number 4. The report has been finished. Number 5. The president has been killed. Number 6. The road has been repaired. Number 7. That man has been elected. 8. Lesson has been learned. 9. John has been fired. 10. New books have been ordered. 11. The meal has been prepared. 12. The email has been sent. 13. The strawberry has been eaten. 14. The heating has been fixed. 15. Coffee has been made. 16. The air conditioning has been turned on. 17. The sun has been on land. 18. A flat has been rented. 19. Holiday has been booked. 20. The kitchen has been cleaned. Thank you, teacher, very much.